So there is a new IEM launched by a store, a very popular store on AliExpress that sells IEM, but I think now they are going into production of their own IEMs, which is AK Audio Store. So they are going to call this IEM AK Audio 8BA+1DD Custom DIY IEM. So it's a hybrid. It's gonna have MMCX with it. It's a design that has already been existed, but the catch here is that it's going to be very affordable, and it is coming with the same driver count as the ThieAudio Legacy 9, and that is very interesting, and it's going to just come at a very reasonable price of $240. But let's see the specs and what you can expect with this new model. So the balanced armature in it is customized. It is definitely a Knowles balanced armature. It's going to come with one dynamic driver. The connector on it is MMCX. It is quite a powerful. It's definitely a powerful IEM. Sensitivity on it is 120 decibels. Impedance is 12 ohms. Frequency response is 20 hertz all the way to 25,000 hertz. It's definitely going to give you options to choose any color that you like. If you want to have any color, pretty much like the Legacy 9, the ThieAudio Legacy 3, you can choose any color that you like. You would get it, and it is what it is. I will definitely drop a link so you can check it out if you are interested. AK Audio now, I think they are now producing their own custom DIY IEM, and I felt that, you know what, let me cover it, even though it's not technically a big brand IEM, but I felt that, you know what, let me cover the IEM and see whether any of you guys are interested in picking it up. So that's it. It's just priced well, $230. Has the same driver configuration as the ThieAudio Legacy 9. Whether it's going to be tuned like the ThieAudio Legacy 9 is something I can say for certain until maybe I get my hands on the IEM and see for myself whether it's a really good IEM to push. But I kind of like that AK Audio is kind of like producing their own IEMs right now, and that's it. All you gotta do right now is follow us here on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.